Hey guys, how's it going? I've got a package here to unbox for you. So, first let's get it out of this box. I know, I'm like delicate with it. Don't need that. Don't need that. And it's getting even smaller. We've got another box. And this is just the receipt paper, so we do not need that. What we do need is this box here. There's your clue. Just kidding. Funko LLC. That is your clue. And actually it probably says it there. It does. Gears of War. Mystery mini figs. Alright, so let's get into this box now. And then once we get through here, we should have one more box. This kind of seems small for what it is, though. I guess, okay, so I don't get the display box. Or do I? Oh, I do. Okay, I do. That's what I was hoping for. Was the display box. Alright, so look at that. Look at that. Oh, it's so cool. I cannot wait to unbox all these. The bad thing about this is the case comes with 12 mystery minifigs, okay? The bad thing is that there's more than 12 mystery minifigs. So there's no possible way to get them all in one case, which where I bought the case and after shipping and everything, it ended up being like $73 for an entire case. Not that you guys care. But yeah, alright, so this little thing attaches here. Let's just go ahead and do that for you. I'll throw that back in there and show you what we got. So here is the display box. So if you had a store or whatever, like say GameStop or something, you gotta set this out there and let them take from there. You get the picture. Alright, so let's set that aside and get to this. We've got 12 of them. Alright, and I'll go ahead and show you. I don't know if you guys got to see like everything on the box. So got them there. That's the front. Here's the other side. And the back. And there's the little thing you put in the top. Alright, so now that you've seen that, here's what the box looks like. So you got some Swarm, Marcus and JD, Kate and Dell, and here are all the guys. So you can see there's 15 of them. Like I said, you can't even get them all, and some of them are rarer than others. The bottom 3 are 1 in 36 characters possible to get that. So let's bust right into this first one here. And our black bag as usual. I might just keep those boxes, try and like keep them nice, just to put them back in there and keep. And what do we get for our first guy? Looks like it's either an E-Day gear or a Carmine. Not sure. Pretty cool though. It's got a Lancer. It's got the Carmine mask. But like I said, I don't know if... I think this is like the E-Day gear. I think that's what he is. Does he have a name? I don't know if they ever put names on them. Doesn't say. So there's the first guy. I don't know if you can see that tattoo on his arm too. There you go. Not sure exactly what it is. Looks like a sword with a cog. Says R.I.P. at the bottom. Okay, so it says Anthony Carmine, and then it says rest in peace. That is cool. Oh, that is really cool. He's got another tattoo on this arm. Looks like a bunch of bullets. And then on the front, it says Grub Killer. That's pretty cool. That is actually a lot more detail than I expected. That's pretty cool. So, let's move on to number 2. Tear this open here. And I'll actually, I'll try and show you guys before I even see it. Which, theoretically, you're not seeing it before me because this video was made before it was on the internet. You're not seeing it live, so you get what I'm saying. And I'm not looking. Alright, so we got a sniper swarm. Just kind of go like this for you. Just got a sniper. Pouches or something on the back. Pretty cool. And his rarity, he's just a normal, he's a 1 in 12. Same with that Carmine looking dude is a 1 in 12 also. Okay, let's set these aside. And get to number 3. And we'll leave the knife open. I need to close it. We're going to be using it a lot. Put that aside. And we'll show you guys again here. We've got a Marcus. So we got a Marcus. See the scar on his face there? He's got a nice Lancer going on here. Try and get it to focus there. Nice little Lancer. Very cool. Pouch on the back. He's got some cog tags in his hand there. That's cool. That is awesome. I'm not sure if the Funko guys, if their arms move or not. I don't think so. At least not on these ones. I don't know if other ones do or not. Never really paid attention to that. Alright. Let's tear into another one here. If you guys are wondering where I got this case from, it's a company called Toy Wiz. Found them online, and that's where I got case from. They had other cases as well. Oh my gosh. Alright, so this is one of the rares. I double check that. Yeah, that is one of the 1 in 36. A golden gear. That is awesome. Very cool. The Black Omen. That is cool. Oh, I love it. That is very cool. Huh. How lucky is that? I got one of the rare ones there. Oh man. That'd be very cool to get. The other 2 rares, you know, I didn't even pay attention to actually who's on here that I actually want. I would like to get a Kate and a JD Baird. That one looks like Rom. I would like to get Rom. And you know what? Okay, yeah. So that was because there's another rare guy that looks like this, except for he doesn't have the white omen. He has a black one. So that is cool though. I got the golden one. So happy about that. Alright. See what we get here. Okay, so we got another different guy. So far there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guys we've opened, and they've all been different. So we've got, this one actually looks like it's a locust, not a swarm. Which, that is what the little symbol there is the locust symbol. And he's got a hammer burst. Very cool. Alright, this will make us halfway through once we open this one. See what we get. In case you guys don't know, I am a big Gears of War fan. Oh, okay, so this guy's weapon is actually stabbing through the plastic without me doing anything, and that would make me think that this is ROM, which is one of the ones I wanted. And there he is. That would be him. Big old ROM with his sword. Actually, it's not like a sword, it's more of like a dagger, but you get the point. Look at all the detail on his suit. Block it out again. There we go. Very cool. So, once again, ROM is a locust, in case you don't know. Oh, that is cool. So far we're doing pretty good on the ones that I wanted. Oh, there we go. Pop this one up. Throw that aside, and what we got here? We've got a coal train. So, we got one of the original Gears of War characters here. It's been around for all of the games. Pretty cool. Coal train, baby. Woo! Alright. Oh. There we go. Come on. Come on. Alright, we gotta cut it some more. Alright, that one took longer than expected to open. Sheesh. And what have we got? We've got a Dell. Alright. So this is the 8th one that we've opened. And he's got a buzzkill weapon here. Basically it's a saw blade that shoots out of there. He is from Gears of War 4. Pretty cool. A little eye piercing. Alright. And we are getting close. This one and 3 others left. also means that we might start getting some duplicates here. But it's not. We've got JD Phoenix, Marcus's son. Scratch on his face. He's holding his Lancer. He's got a bolt-on pistol. Awesome. So we've got 9 different characters so far. Oops. Throw that away. What is it? What is it? What is it? We've got... Ooh, we got Baird. The only other one that I wanted that I haven't got yet is Kate. So this is Baird once again. He's been through all of the Gears of War games. He's got his Lancer. Very cool. You know, I can't believe... Never mind. I do see him on there. I was gonna say I didn't see Dom on here, which is a very big character, but it does look like he is one of them. That goes there. Alright, what is it? No whammy, no whammy! And speak of the devil, it's Dom. That is awesome. He's got a tattoo here. I'll try and look at that one up close and see. And he's got the Nasher shotgun. Can't really tell what his tattoo is. Can't really tell. That is awesome. Final box, guys. It's the final one. Once I get this last one open, I'll give you guys another view of all of the characters again. Well, this was a really good case. Come on, Kate. Haha, Kate! Absolutely no duplicates in this box. So we've got Kate. She's got the Nasher. Is that focused? There we go. Tattoo on her arm, nothing special. Purple in her hair there. She's got her beanie. Oh, that is awesome. That is all of them. We've got 3 bad guys. So what are we missing? We are missing the other 2 rare ones. Which one of them looks like him, but with a black omen in the middle instead of a white. And we're missing the orange Pouncer. And then we're missing the other Pouncer. So we are missing this guy here, this guy, and this guy. Everything else I believe that we got. I need to double check on that though. Yeah, that's it. Those are the ones we're missing. We're missing 2 rares and 1 semi-rare. Medium rare. Guess you medium rare. Alright, so let me go ahead and grab this camera here and show you what we've got. So there's those 2. We've got Marcus, and we'll put JD with him. And then we've got Kate, and we can put Dom right there. We've got Dale over here. Cole, and then we've got the bad guys over here, and Baird can go there. Alright, so we'll just run through this one more time. I still can't believe that I got that gold one. That is awesome. And then got every other character I wanted. The only thing, I wish I would have got the other 2 rares, but that's it. Alright, that is it, guys. See you next time.